Attention! Okay, you guys. We have to remember to stomp our feet as loud as we can when we're marching left and right.
Yeah, so we can have many points at our inter-house sport.
That's right, KamKam. By the way, Kito, you are not stomping your feet loud enough.
Well, I don't want to march anymore. It's not fun. I want to play something else. Besides, I'm not marching during our inter-house sports. But marching is fun, Kito. My teacher says it helps to build discipline and coordination.
And it makes a really nice sound when we're all marching together. Sometimes I think the ground shakes when we do it.
I remember my days marching. It was always so exciting.
Do you have any stories about marching, Grandpa?
Well, those who marched were usually in the military. And I wasn't part of it in my days, but I once discovered an artifact about a culture that marched a lot. If I remember correctly, this is a Zulu Warrior spear.
Wow, they look so cool. But they don't look like a regular spear.
Yes, they do look very irregular. Let's find out why, shall we? Well, here we go. Shaka Zulu and the Zulu Warriors Dance.
Shaka who?
Shaka Zulu. He was one of the most important monarchs of the Zulu tribe. He made his soldiers march in a rather interesting way. Do you want to meet him?
Of course we want to meet him. Let's go on another adventure.
Fun facts. Did you know that Shaka Zulu was the king of the Zulu kingdom from 1816 to 1828? That was a really long time ago.
Even today, Zulu people honor Shaka. There's a holiday called Shaka Day in South Africa with parades, music, and dancing. His name still means strength and pride. And today, the Zulu are the largest ethnic group in South Africa, with over 10 million people. Shaka Zulu was very famous for his battle methods and strategies. He made his warriors go barefoot to toughen their feet. Yeah, they could run for miles without stopping, almost like marathon runners.
Inlamu is famous for big high kicks, stomping feet, and thunderous drum beats. It looks like a battle, but is also a celebration. Thanks for watching, explorers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Keko Africa adventures.